Kasing Michael and All Angels Secondary School Juai ni kasingi dasdang ko ye Lehkmen dap arposan snem ilai luti yongka heyato wosam istad itip de wapanman ya Lehkmen mobon jaj wada chimbenta dagi kena skor na do irwai ichat wa kiwi. Hakani kasing sedang Lehkmen dawan sekhilang kasilang do block mission coordinator kawaman lega sub inspector of school West Giant Hill district kam ka kongsan neite Reverend Kid Khar chairman ka SMC gini ka skor ki wasikai ki bai ki pa yong ki kena skor wa kiwi hak yalang wa pelai da ki esume assistant headmaster kat pho headmaster habakana ya ka poram tubian ka skor ong harau wagani kasingi man le chibenta iburam ya ki wasen wasdang ya ka walang ba ya luti yong ki job i chakri gini ka skor Wene ni chakmat upten chu ki ye lai luti han la hamad ye ikor updiang le ye start itip kat kam waya ka jung we le wo pene pensa ya kariti dustur na jrong wo iba khli ye im lang sa lang ni liang ka silang do kam ka kongsan hawaya ro ye lai luti ni ka skur angko ka skur to ka yung wo yo ye start itim we bon ki wa benta lang haka wa kan thup na do ki head teacher ki bai ki pa ki khana skur ki wasikai ki dekhot ka school managing committee wa ki wi ki wa jarjer ibenta kre kam hagani ki singi da banjor ga heya to ikam ram yong ki school managing committee ne bha wa man ki kam ubut lom yong ka won ka skur de wo ong la datlot ka SMC ka skur le man ka sa din hawaro ki liang tang wala khlan won ka SMC de yo ye ka skur ko terchain we lai chakmat haki benta wa pher Naite kam inspector of school bunsin hi chem go ida watlot ki skur la heja to iwam biang ichna ya ki skur na iduna ki khanna to wam hi chim khia ki dekhot ka SMC yo man ka skur walai chakmat kam ya ki dekhot ka SMC uman ki we i kirchan upaj bni ye man ilong ka skur we wo le i kre
It's a big day for you. So I think I would like to congratulate. Well done. You have achieved, you have reached this 25 milestone, the success of your school. Well, there is a definition which say, school is a temple of learning. It's a temple of learning. And in this temple of learning, so many are involved in it. We have the parents, we have the head teacher, we have the teachers, we have the school managing committee. Well, we have parents. Parents send their send their kids to school. Teachers, students, they come to school. Teachers, they teach the students. And also we have the school managing committee who have a full responsibility to run the school. So these are who are involved in this temple of learning. So all of these, they have a different role to play. So since it's the 25th anniversary Silver Jubilee celebration, I will leave aside the role of the teacher, the role of the parents, the role of the students, but let me focus on the role of the school managing committee. Because why? The school managing committee is the backbone of the school. It's the backbone. If the school managing committee is weak, we have a blur and a dull school. If the school managing is strong, I may say that the school will shine. So, why I've said like this? Because actually my job is to go for a school inspection because I am the sub-inspector of school and at the same time working as the block mission coordinator. So I'm looking after the elementary school that is 1 to class 8. So whenever I go for inspection, now, well, what I find is that when I look at those school, those government-aided school, there is a low in the enrollment. When I look at the infrastructure, there is a poor infrastructure. Now, like the condition of the school, it's so pathetic, so weak, so it's not presentable. Well, I used to ask a question, why? Why? What happened? Why there is a low enrollment? Why all this? When I dig into this, well, I don't know if you agree with me, is most of the time when I look at these schools with low enrollment, infrastructure is very poor, the condition of the school is so pathetic. Now what I find is that most of the school managing committee are not interested. They do not play a vital role. They do not give the hand, they do not give the support to the school. They just leave it. They just leave to the head teacher, to the teachers teaching inside school. They have no responsibility. So because of that, most of these schools, they suffer from all these things. So in this occasion, I would like to urge the school managing committee of St. Michael All Angel. Yes, reaching this 25 years, I know that the school managing committee has done their job great. So what I want to urge upon is that to kindly continue to extend your support to the school.